Hi friends, it's Sheri here, and today we are reacting to ONEUS Erase Me music video, their newest comeback. Eee, really excited. Timons are some of the nicest people I have met on the internet. They're just so amazing, and they're always just here, they like to tell me about these boys and how good their music is and just how good they are. I will say, I've listened to almost all of their songs, and a lot of the songs I really like, but there are some of like their title tracks which is like, it's not my taste in music, so we will see about this one. I do like the title already, Erase Me. I'm expecting something maybe dark and edgy. Wait, we'll see. Let me get my hairstyle. Okay, let's go. Some shoe shots. Who got big feet? Ooh. Ooh. Grace, I am a sucker for gray suits. Like, okay, they already look so dapper. Oh. Is that a coffin? Okay. Oh. The like teardrop from the stain. Build up. Are we gonna get a drop or are we gonna get a chorus? I'm interested. This could go in any way. Yes, hit those notes. Oh, was that his eye? Okay. Yeah, like an interesting drop. Fit, good, okay. I'm getting like a lot of different aesthetics. Hello, Lito. You were in the coffin. That's a nice hairstyle. Whoop, whoop. Okay, kissing statue. I like this. Is that a corset? Have I missed the corset till now? This is like a weird mafia ritual. Desperate. Okay.
Erase me.
Still my heart. Okay. Classic drop and kneel. Okay. What can we say about this? What can we say about this? Oh, I've got some thoughts. Some controversial thoughts? No. I will say, I think from, having watched a lot of their stuff, you can see like the general like maturing of their concept / their styling and all that. I am a sucker for like suits, the gray suits, but also the like white shirt with the corset and the belly tie, whatever you call it. I am a sucker for that sort of styling. I think it works with them really well, and like the little jewelry with like that's meant to be teardrops, like, oh yeah, Jiyeon looks really good. I think it's Lito with the long hair. Just if you can't tell, I really like this length of hair on people, idols, me. So really, really good. I really love the da 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 na 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 da 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 da. That bit, I think that's really good. I don't know how I feel about a drop. Like, you know me, if you know me, I'm a sucker for a good chorus. So like, I kind of almost wish like it was a repeat of the da bit, right? Like da 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 da, instead of just like a straight drop with the like not chorus, because the build up is so good. I do think like for the way that it was just the drop like that, it was done very elegantly. I think the whole song comes with like an elegant matureness that, you know, they're not going for like super sexy that you often see like idols try to jump straight into, like from like, you know, they're jumping around having fun, just like straight sexy stuff, and I'm just like, no, kind of, I like this more elegant sexy, you know, like chill sexy kind of vibe, and I think it fits them really well and it fits their styling really well. I'm nothing to say, like the vocals are always really good, the rapping always is really good, the energy from the boys, it's always like just so good. Like ONEUS are really good, and you have like the little moon in the background, you know, just to remind y'all. Yeah, it is interesting to see what sort of direction they're taking their music and their overall themes. I think like I'm glad they've been slowly getting like darker and darker, and I think this level of dark elegance works really well with them. I don't know if I fully understood like there's a general story, or it's just one of those music videos just like aesthetically looks good, where they're like all like holding hands in suits and like, mafia dinner party. Okay, what is this ritual and how do I join? But overall, I think the song is really good. I'm still I don't generally like songs that just don't have a chorus, instead have a drop, but I think they did it really nice here, because it wasn't painful, as in sometimes it feels disjointed with like if the drop goes like really hard just out of nowhere. Like usually you have to have a very good build up and you're just like, yeah, party time. But this, I think, was done quite nicely. Yeah, I've got no notes. Not that I would ever dare give them notes. They don't need notes, but overall I think very good. And then like the little bits of like just shock where it is like da da da, erase me. I dare not erase you. Like, ooh, what have I done? So yeah, very good. Let me know what you guys think about the song, about this comeback, about this styling. I like, so the jewelry is so good. Like the face jewelry, so good. Hairstyle, so good. Everything, so good. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about the song, the music video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see my next video. Bye bye.